Alrighty, time for this afternoon's weather, and it is sponsored by Barkeeper's Friend Rust Remover. Alrighty, we have a new storm in the east, and that will show us our snow. There's not much just yet, but the orange on our map here indicates sleet and freezing rain, and we have several locations that are reporting that, from State College to Hagerstown, over into the Trenton area. Some snow, a little bit of sleet and freezing rain mixed in here as well, and it's advancing on to the north. As a matter of fact, the latest radar here will show you what looks like some kind of precipitation all the way up into Connecticut. That's not happening just yet. A lot of this on the northern extent is still virga. It's evaporating in the dry atmosphere, but it will be coming in, and where you have the darker greens through here, and you have to excuse our little glitch in there, but that's where the precipitation is actually hitting the ground. So in Philadelphia, it's right about at the freezing point, maybe a degree or so above, but there's probably some freezing rain around the area. We definitely have it down towards Hagerstown, Johnstown, and it's just plain old rain around Pittsburgh, where the temperature right now is 39 degrees. You notice the temperatures are not that cold through here, but you don't have to have it down to 32 degrees to find snow. And it does, however, have to be down to the freezing point to get freezing rain, and we do have that in some areas. Down to the south, look how cool it is here. Remember I was telling you that cold air dammed up against the Appalachians. That's why it's so chilly and gray in Atlanta. It's 47 degrees. But you break out of the clouds as you get down into Florida, and the temperatures have been in the 80s. Pretty nice day, except can you see these puffy clouds? Those, of course, are thunderstorms, and we do have some severe weather down here in Florida. Let's take a look at the latest radar. Oops, that radar seems to be in the wrong spot. Let's see if we'll get back to it. And we'll see if we can find it. And there it is. We'll get back to the Midwest in a moment. Alrighty, you can see around Jacksonville, the storms have moved out and they have resumed play at the TPA. However, down here in Marion County, thunderstorms are to your east and some are to your west. As this first round came through, we had reports of golf ball size hail in the town of Lynn. More thunderstorms developing down here west of Orlando are building up fairly quickly. In Polk County, you do have a severe thunderstorm warning. Storms are moving northeastward at 30 miles per hour. That's with these clusters right through here. Again, the possibility of more hail, damaging winds, and of course heavy rain. And we also have a warning out of Lake County and Volusia counties, which of course are right back through here as well. So more warnings certainly anticipated with this next line of storms as it moves in from the west. Looks like definitely a stormy afternoon down here in Florida, and I can hear the printer right now, so more warnings will be coming off. We'll pass them on to you as we get them. Already, you saw the snow up here. Temperatures are in the teens. There's obviously a front right about through here. This snow is not expected to be very heavy, an inch or 2 inches expected, but we do find more heavy snow out here in the west, where Reno is 33 degrees, and with the front coming through, it's going to cool it off a little bit and also spark a few thunderstorms. So we'll get both in the west as well. Snow, ice, and thunderstorms in the east, we have the same right here. Heaviest snow and winter storm warnings are in effect out here in the Sierra Nevada. Looks like that'll be tapering off, hopefully maybe soon after sunset this evening. But not before we get up to about a foot of snow. We've already had a foot overnight, and we expect another 3 to 6 out here in the north central Rockies. This is snow, but down here south of Fresno, coming in towards Bakersfield, we've had a few reports of thunderstorms. Haven't seen any reports of severe weather here, but lightning and heavy rain is a possibility. As the front swings through and the low moves east, you'll be back to sunshine in California tomorrow. What's up in the forecast? Well, take a look. We have our one area of low pressure here that dissipates. This one definitely takes over along the coastline, pulling that moisture in over cold air. We will have more freezing rain, and we'll have quite a bit of snow tonight, especially late tonight into tomorrow morning. And then, actually, by tomorrow afternoon, things are winding right back down. Our low that brought us the snow today in the Sierra Nevada quickly crosses the Rockies with more snow here, and then it's ready to head into the southeast to bring us some rain for the weekend, wouldn't you know it. Our heaviest rain today will be in Florida with those thunderstorms. And there's your snowfall forecast. Again, east and west will be getting it, and temperatures will be kind of chilly tonight as we drop down into the teens or even single digits in a couple locations. But you'll notice over the next few days that spring definitely appears to be here now, because in spite of some rain coming in, temperatures are likely to be in the 70s and 80s, at least the southern half of the country. The next blast of cool air, and I don't think it's going to be terribly cold.